Ankit and I'm a developer. What I'm pitching is Pandora for the rest of us. So you all had moments where we listen to a song and you want to listen to a similar song of the similar genre. If you're in America, you got Pandora, but for the rest of us, we're just really stuck with YouTube. So what I wanted to develop was actually a system that focused on the recommendation aspect and downloaded and played the music directly from YouTube or any other source on the web. So you don't have to worry about the legal hassles and you just concentrate on the recommendation. What I'm looking for is preferably somebody with some experience on the development on the website or the cloud, and maybe a couple of people on the business side. Thanks a lot.
Hi. I'm from IIT Roorkee, and this is my second venture after social media marketing. It was a team. Basically, we used to freelance. So the idea is basically, first of all, I'd like to ask some questions from you. Like, do you feel shy when people call you to dance along in parties or some marriages, or you feel shy going to some dance class that people come to know and then start expecting or something? So so the concept is basically a virtual dance learning studio, which is basically you can learn dance anywhere, like in living room, bedroom, or office, or hostel room, anywhere. So the things which we are going to use is a projector, a web camera. Of course, a whiteboard and a good internet connection. This seems to be a very costly process, but believe me, I'll be telling you one thing, and after that, it'll be like just a few hundred rupees a month. That will be extra than the offline dance classes. So I just need a kick-ass developer who knows how to make jugaad and knows how much hard work does it takes to get it big, and associated with it. And I call this venture Haditha. And associated with it is an entertainment channel, which will like having a lot more features like interactive ticker and all that.
Right, give it up for Sachin!
Hi, I'm Ajita Kulkarni. Basically, I've attended a lot of seminars and meetings and conferences, and you basically tweet minutes of the meeting in those events, right? So the idea is the attendees would like or give upvotes to those minutes of the meeting. So automatically, the best ideas would get filtered to the top, and the least interesting ideas would get filtered to the bottom. So at the end of the day, you have got a prioritized, consolidated human opinion of that event. Thank you.
That's great. Let's get up for it. Before the Facebook was there, if you ask somebody like, are you connected to your friends and family, you would have said, yeah, I am connected. I probably don't need another tool or anything online tool for that. But right now, if I ask you, are you connected to your community, to the place, to the people where you live, like by PIN code or zip code or whatever, are you connected? For me, I would say no. My connections are only my friends, whatever there are in Facebook. I'm not really connected to my actual community. So my idea is to get an online community, but which is like Facebook, where everybody is friends to everyone. And I don't know, I'm looking for business validation and developers, because I think a lot of ideas and collaboration can happen when people talk to each other, because we don't know. I don't even know my neighbor, I don't talk to him. So that I think that is the case in Bombay for most of the people. Thank you. That's good.
Hi, the idea is Junglee for deals, and I'm looking for one developer and one UX designer. I already have a startup, but I'm looking for this bit of an experiment, and I want one developer and one designer to join.
What do you explain what Junglee is?
Okay, so Junglee is a product comparison site which is basically trying to compete with the various e-commerce websites. And right now, what I believe is that there are a lot of deal websites. There are deal aggregators, but they're not doing a good job. And deal recommendations and deal personalized recommendations and deal comparisons, I believe it's a huge market opportunity. I'm myself a Ruby on Rails developer. I've done my master's in computer science, yeah, I'm looking for one developer and one designer.